Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use a Google tool that is Jamboard while our online classes. So let's get started. What you have to do firstly, open Chrome browser and then Google homepage. Then at the top, on right top, you can see 9 dots. So while you are surfing down, you can see Docs, Sheets, Google Slides, Books, Blogger, Hangouts, Keep, Jamboard. So let's start. Tap on the Jamboard and here we go. So I have a Jamboard. I have already prepared a Jamboard for you all. So how to prepare a Jamboard? Likely we are going to prepare a new Jamboard. So you have to simply tap on this plus sign which you can see at the right bottom. Now an untitled jam is ready for you. Now let's get started. So suppose the topic for our Jamboard is suppose our topic is phonics. Alright, so we have renamed our jam. Now let's get started. So we'll be starting with basic. Now first of all we have to set the background. As you can see there is a page. Now let's start from we have dots one. So here's a dot background. Then we have a lining. You can use it for teaching Hindi or for teaching other subjects. If you're teaching using this app, alright, we have the grid lines. Then we have this one also, a simple blue background, simple black background, and at the end you can see this plus and it's showing image. That means you can add your image. Add the image of your own choice. So let's start. Now while we are adding image of our own choice, so you can upload image. Upload means browse it from your personal computer or your device, and you can choose any image which you want to add to the background. By URL means you can copy and paste a URL. Then by camera means you can use your camera. Then by Google image search. So we are going to search an image and we are going to place that image as a background. Supposingly we are using phonics, so I'll be going with its clip art. Now, while we are surfing, so let me go with the decent one. Alright, so here we go. I have selected this background and let me tell you two more things. We have Google Drive. If suppose your picture is saved in a Google Drive, you can choose a picture from Google Drive also. And of course, if your picture is saved in Google Photos, you can choose a picture from Google Photos. Now we have selected a picture from Google Image Search. Now we are going to set as frame background. Alright, so here is a picture. So you can see the picture is clear, everything is up to the mark. Now if you want to clear the frame, suppose you don't want to add this picture, you can clear the frame also. Alright, so I have switched to the already prepared Jamboard. Now let's get started. So we have already covered pen and eraser and the pointer. Now moving further, we have a sticky note. I am adding a sticky note. As I tapped on the sticky note, a sticky note has appeared. Now you can change the color of the notes: green, blue, pink, orange. If you want no color, then it will be white. I'm using pink color. So if I'm going to write sound of letter E, now it's done. And when we are saving it, it will appear on a screen. Now you can increase the size of the sticky note, move it wherever you want to move. Alright, if you want to delete this sticky note, you can simply delete it. If you want to duplicate it, you can duplicate it. Alright, you can create as many, you can duplicate as many times as you want. If you want to edit this sticky note, you can edit it also. Now moving further, we have add image option. So while we are tapping on add image, so it's similar to the previous one only. There's option of upload. That means you can use a picture which is already saved in your personal computer or laptop. By URL means you are tapping, you are using a link, or you're copying and pasting a link of some picture. Then by using a camera means you are using your camera, your laptop or your PC camera, and then you are pasting that picture. Google image search, again we are going to search and paste some picture according to our needs. Google Drive means whatever you are having in your drive, and if you want to save pictures from that, you can save it from there. Now Google Photos, whichever photo you are having, you can save it from there. Okay, now we are done with this part, so let me show you how I have pasted and how I have created a complete set of activities and set of you can say tongue twisters are there, a complete interactive online session lesson plan I've created. So let me give you a glimpse. All right all right so here we are starting. As you can see, I have started with a greet good evening. Then I have pasted a picture, used this feature, add image feature, and I've used Google image search. All right. Now, after that, the topic phonics, the second slide is for topic, and this background I have used by using the feature of set background and add image. Then these pictures are also kids clip art by using the feature of add image. Now, video will be played. You can play a video to. So it's up to you which topic you're using. If you're using math, or if you're a senior teacher or a junior teacher or a primary or pre-primary grade teacher, no problem. You can use this tool and it's very, very useful. Trust me. You can use backgrounds according to a subject. I mostly have, you can see the remaining ones are known as consonants and so on so. All right. So you can see I have created an activity using these pictures. Let me give you a glimpse. We have as sound pictures, we have ter sound pictures, we have per sound pictures. Now let me give you a glimpse of activities, the exercises which I have created using this Jamboard only. So let me show you this slide. So here it is. See, I have ended the session and I have ended it with a tongue twister. So I have used a very easy tongue twister. She sees cheese and I scream, you scream. That's it, because I am teaching elementary kids. Now, moving further, I have prepared a fill in the blank activity. It's very easy. Now, let's learn. So, we are using this text box thing. What are we using? We are using this text box thing. When we are placing it, tapping it here, you can choose the style, you can choose the font size, you can choose the color of the font, you can align it, it can be left, center, or the right align. And you can, as I've already told, you can change the colors. Now, moving further, so if I am teaching something and I want to show the children what I'm teaching, I want to highlight that thing, but I don't want to use pen because it's time the screen do not look very good and it's not captivating. The children are most of the time losing interest while studying online sessions. So we can use this highlighter. So you can see this highlighter is highlighting the part which we are highlighting, but it is automatically getting erased. So this is also a good feature of Jamboard. And that's it from my end, and I hope the video was quite useful. And if the video was useful for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. And if you want more and more tutorials, just let me know, comment below in the video, and I am going to prepare a video for you all. Thank you.